We just unveiled the new light fixture in the portico here of City Hall. This replaces a fixture that was sort of an off-the-rack fixture that had been installed there a few years ago. The building was modernized in the 1950s. A lot of the original Victorian-era fixtures were removed, including the original light fixture, which once hung under the portico, and the candelabras that were flanking the portico. And modernized in an effort to make the building look more postmodern, I suppose. I had heard they were going to be replacing the light fixture, and I assumed they were buying something from some either architectural salvage or some replica fixture from some company that specialized in that. I had no idea it was going to be students that did it, and it's really just an incredible job, and I hope they're very proud of what they did. They should be.
3, 2, 1.
Jersey City had come to our class and they said that they were remodeling it, and they said if we could do something to partner, and then we ended up coming up with the idea of the chandelier, because we knew they had nothing there and it was kind of like small, it was smaller. So we came up with the design of the chandelier, and then that took about like 2 months.
The hardest part was probably making sure the welds stuck, because if you're having something, it's gonna have to deal with like weather and stuff. You're gonna make sure it's strong, like it's gonna be able to withstand anything.